Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles, and today I wanted to share with you guys the cool items that Gen X gave us. If you guys follow Audrey and Kate on their channel and some of the awesome fans we have there who've been kind enough to send us gifts, and Gen X is the person who sent us some things, various different things over the years, but recently we received this wonderful package full of awesome things inside, and one of the things that was in there was this great collection of Beavis and Butthead figures. So I wanted to kind of let you guys see these up close a little bit here. I think we're going to decide maybe not to open them because they look so cool with their, true, from the cartoon version of themselves right there. I really feel like I've got to keep that there, but I wanted to share them with you guys. He got us 5 of them. I think that's the complete set, actually. Yep, it is the whole complete set here. So, of course, in true Beavis and Butthead fashion, you have to have their original version of themselves. So, right here we have Butthead, and he has his cool skull t-shirt on there that you see a lot of times. And he looks very epic. These guys are 5-inch figures. I think they are pretty fully posable, like not fully, you could sit them down and their heads roll around and he can move his arms. His knees, he doesn't have joints at his knees and elbows, but very cool. I think that's like such an epic version of him there with his gigantic nose. I love that. Wow, like I don't think I visually thought about how big his nose really was, like until I see it in this form. So this is from Reaction Figures, and they say it's recommended for ages 14 and older. Sure. I don't know where that came from. It's not like there's that small of anything for you to choke on. And then of course we have Beavis, and he's standing here with his awesome Death Rock t-shirt on. These guys are great. They bring back good memories. So here he is with his epically expressive eyebrows and his weird mouth. He has such a weird mouth, and I think they did such a good job of like making that there. It kind of creeps me out. Very cool. So that's him. And then, of course, you've got both of them in their wonderful, if you've got to have a change of clothes, then that would mean the only time they change clothes is when they go to work at Burger World. So here they are. Here's Butthead ready to work. Not really, or pretend, at Burger World. So that's a classic look there for him. I love that. It's perfect. It's such a great one there. And then again, weirdo Beavis with his weird mouth again. Oh, it's just so strange. It really creeps me out. But you know how like there's totally like old people who look like this? You can tell what that face is going to be when he's old, It's just so great. I don't understand. So those guys are really cool. It's a really, really awesome thing to have to put with our collection of things. So we'll put that out for sure. And then, of course, as the extra bonus, you have to have the Great Cornholio. Yes, who needs teepee for his bumhole, of course. So, this is so funny. So there he is with his same Death Rock shirt on, of course, but with it pulled up over his head. I do have to say that they didn't quite get the whole feel for this giganticness of his forehead, giganticness. There we go. That's just massive. And that's part of what makes him just so frightening. And they got it kind of here, but, I kind of wanted it to be bigger, like just because I think really, he's already going bald, right? So I think they could have just pulled it back just a tiny bit more, or really done like here and pulled back his hair, the shirt a lot. So you really get that feeling like, that it's just all forehead. But it's great. And I love you can see his little bit of his belly there. Oh, that's funny. So that is some classic stuff. So thank you, Gen X, so much for sending these. This is a great, wonderful collection to have. And we're going to have these, and on display somewhere in our house here. I'm going to clear a shelf and have all these out so we can look at them anytime and get a good laugh. Now, completely switching gears then, we also got in that collection this adorable little baby Yoda figurine. And I am not watching the Mandalorian. I cannot say it. Mandalorian. I'm not watching that. So I do not know the story of Baby Yoda, but I've heard from people that these is like a little frog-like creature that he likes to eat, apparently. So that's cute. You know, anybody to get, you know, to have a Baby Yoda figure is awesome. So that is very cool. And then the thing that's also here is so tiny. I'd be very, very worried to open this and lose it. But very cool, right? There's a lot of glare here from the light. But that is definitely very awesome. So we now have this wonderful collection of really cool things to add to some of our other wonderful collections of figures and books and CDs and so many things. I can't even remember everything that all the fans have been so kind to share with us. So thank you so much, Gen X, for these again. And yeah, it will be fun. We're going to try to maybe let the girls watch, you know, we've seen a few like highlight episodes on YouTube of just them laughing constantly, but we definitely need to like really try to just watch a few of the episodes so you can really appreciate what it's always about. So that's definitely going to be something coming up that we'll be doing. So, but I wanted to get a chance to show you guys, because I don't think just during our video you could really appreciate fully how very cool these were. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all again next time. Take care, you guys. Bye.